Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply Lashbox LA's Lace It Up lashes. I really like these. They look just like lash extensions and they last a long time. So what you're going to need is a box of Lace It Up lashes, their Bond Duo glue, and then some sort of tweezer. I have the Lashbox one, and then some type of small mirror. And then so one side has like a clear glue and then the other side is going to be the glue we're using. It's like a black one with a super thin wand. And then, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically tap the bases of your lashes. You can use it as like a regular mascara and just do all your lashes, but I feel like when I do that, it kind of makes the lashes get clumpy. So I just kind of use this glue and like tap the bases of my natural lash. And you want to make sure that you have like a good coat. So I just go in like a few times just so that I really make sure that everything is coated nice and evenly. Okay, so here are the lashes. You'll have like 3 different lengths. I have the D curl in their longest length. So you're gonna start, you kind of just want to like take them off of the packaging, whatever lashes you're gonna use, just so that during application it's easier, because they are a little bit stuck to the base that they're on, and this will just help, in general for the application process. So I'm just going in and picking them up and setting them back down. Okay, so starting with your first lash segment, I start with the shortest length and go outwards. I also go in with the glue one more time and add some to the base of the lash just for extra adhesion. So you'll see me do that now. And then it's super tiny, so make sure you have your tweezers because it's hard to do with just your fingers. And then you're gonna just apply it right into the inner corner. And then it should just stick on pretty easily. And then basically you just repeat these steps all the way around. I went for a cat eye, so I did, I believe 12, 14, 14, and then 16, 16, just to give me that like shorter to longer look. And the cool thing about these is they're very customizable, so you can try different lengths, different curls. They have like C curl, which is more of a natural curl, and you can just try different like styles. So like I said, I'm doing the cat eye, but you could do like a doll eye or basically anything that floats your boat. And then just take your time during this process. If you want them to last like a whole week, because like you can do that, you want to just take extra time with the application so that they really stay on. And then throughout the week, if you notice some are falling, that's where you can use that other side of the glue to touch them up, which is really cool. Okay, so that's one eye done, and then I noticed that there was a little bit of a gap on the end, that I wanted to cover, so I went in with another 16 and then filled it. So you'll see me do that here. This is another cool thing about the Lace It Up lashes, is that you can, if you want to go for like a bolder, darker look, you can. So I just go in one more time. So here I'm struggling a bit because I don't have that extra adhesion on the base of my lash, and I just added some glue onto the lash. So it takes me a second to just get it to stick where I want it to. And then there, once it's on, I kind of just leave it for a bit so that it can dry. And then you'll see later in the video, I'm gonna go in with the tweezers and kind of pinch them together just so that they're really stuck together. And then now, starting with the other side, we're gonna do the same process. This side's gonna be more dry, so you wanna make sure again that you're adding that glue like I am here to the base of the lash. Here I'm going to show you a little bit of a close-up. So you're literally going like underneath your lash, and then it should just easily like stick. Okay, so now that they're all on, you want to give them a little bit to dry. And while I let mine dry, I added some highlight and some lipstick. And then now you can see I'm going in and pinching them together. Be careful during this part because you can pinch yourself a little bit with the tweezers. You can also do this with your fingers. I just prefer using the tweezers. And yeah, this is just going to make sure that your natural lash and the false lash are really bonded together. Okay, so now I go in with a little spoolie and brush them out just to get any extra glue off that might be stuck to some of the lashes, and then also just to make them extra fluffy. Here you'll see I noticed a little bit of a gap, so I kind of just like moved the lashes around. They're still pretty mobile even though they don't seem like it, so you can definitely like mess with them a bit. Thank you guys for watching. That is the end of the video. Now you are all good to go out and serve looks. I will also have everything linked down below in the description. And yeah, let me know if you guys try this out. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.